Oh, what's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. Today we have another unboxing. We have the Muzen Cyber Cube. Now, they sent this over to get this on the channel. They thought you guys will like this, so we're going to do a little unboxing, hear it, see it, feel it, see what it's all about. So let's unbox this bad boy and check it out. Right now, this is going for $130 on Amazon and also on their website. I'll put the links down below so you guys can check that out and see what the prices are. You might find a discount, you never know, so keep a lookout for those prices. So this is supposed to be Bluetooth 5.0, meaning you have a more stable connection between your phone and the speaker. And when it comes to the battery life, ooh, this thing has a nice little weight to it. Nice little weight to it for sure. When it comes to the battery life, it's supposed to be 8 hours on medium volume. So if you're going to be playing this at medium volume, you're going to get 8 hours of that, but that means on max volume, if you're going to play it on full blast, you're probably honestly going to be looking at 4 to 6 probably. That's the hour range you're going to be looking at for this thing. So when it comes to the waterproof of the speaker, it's going to be IPX5, meaning you're going to be fine with the rain, any of that. You don't have to worry about rain or it getting splashed on. It's going to be no problem. Just don't really let it, sit in water. Don't let it drop in the pool, none of that. Just watch over it, make sure it's good. But other than that, you're going to be set. A little bit of rain is not going to damage this thing. This is a little close-up look of it. Nice little weight to it, like I was saying. And you got a nice little metal right here. This is definitely nice material they use to make this. It feels really good, feels legit. Got a little twist thing right here. I don't know what this is right here. Twist that, spin that and stuff. We'll see if that's the volume knob or something, but this is the nice little design they have of it. But you guys can take that, check that out. Boom, boom, boom. I really like the design of this. Just walk around with this bad boy. I think we have another area. Let's see. Yep. So it comes with a USB Type-C as well. That's all that's in the box. That and instructions. So let's see what this thing can do. So there's many functions on this speaker. You got the volume right here where you will twist this. And this is where you get your volume at and control that. You can switch songs with this little bar here. And then this will switch your song for you, as you see there. And then the button on top up here will switch your light colors right there. And then the little knob here is how you'll turn it on and off by holding it down. And then same, with, turning it back on. You'll have a blinking light on the top, that indicates like if it's looking for a Bluetooth, if it's connected to one already, all that. That'll let you know your situation Bluetooth wise and all that as well. All right, so here we go. We got to connect this to the Bluetooth. Let's do a little sound test. Let's check it out. Here we go. For the gang, yeah, lalong dicey, yeah, name go hot, yeah, because spicy, yeah, she wants maxi, yeah, I precisely, yeah, verse Marasti, yeah, sa'kin dicey, yeah, for the gang, yeah, lalong dicey, yeah. All right, bud, so that was a little sound test right there for you. Now, I listened to a couple more songs off camera so I can get a feel for the speaker. One thing I did notice, you're really not gonna get no bass really out of this speaker. I went to some of the heavy hidden bass songs that I do listen to. There was really nothing coming out of that too much bass wise. It's such a small cabinet, you really can't expect that. This thing is really small. But I am surprised with the volume that it gives off for such a small speaker. It gives really nice mids and highs, so in the vocals, instruments, they sound really clear. The one thing that I will say is the bass, it gives a little rumble that makes it sound a little bit like it's staticky or something, but it's not. It's just like the bass is hitting and it can't really handle like heavy bass songs. So it doesn't mess up the mids and the highs. That's not what's messed up. It's just the bass is hitting the speaker so hard and it's like struggling with it. But other than that, you're getting that clarity from the mids and the highs. I like my vocals and my instruments. I want them to sound good. I want them to sound good, and they do on this speaker. The volume is surprising for how small it is. Now, I'm not going to say you're about to put this in the center room and throw a party with this thing, but if it's a real, like, just a personal thing that you're carrying it in your hand because, it looks cool. I wish you could. They have a fidget spinner one that you can just use like you could just fidget with something on here. I don't know if there's one on here. I've been moving it around. I don't see nothing. I wish it was this part, the volume part, because you could just walk around with the speaker and then just fidget with it around. But they do have fidget ones that have a fidget part on it, so you can hold this small speaker and you could just mess with the fidget part. But my final thoughts is, I think this speaker just looks cool. This is something that you will want to show off. It's not like these just a basic, you know, wire mesh speakers that we're so used to that everyone is doing. This is something different, just like the one we had previously, the little spider looking one. Those are speakers that just look cool, look different, and this is one of them as well, like something that, you know, they'll take to space or something. So I do like that. And the volume that you're getting from this small, this thing's no bigger than my palm, and you're getting a nice little volume out of this. So you might be surprised at the volume that's coming out of it. The mids, the vocals and the instruments sound really clear, but there's no bass. It's just, the cabinet is not big enough to have any, you know, bass in there. So the bass is where it's lacking, but you kind of expect that from smaller speakers. But if you're looking for something different, something cool to show off, and you got the 130, this is something you might want to, you know, take a look at, clip it to your bag and something like that. So there you have it. That's the Muzen Cyber Cube right there. If you guys want to check this out, like I said, I put the link down in the description below. But also check out these other videos right here. You might find one that you like. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. My name is Ronnie, and this is Wanna Buy It. See you in the next video. Peace.